Okay, so to remove the door panel, there's a few things that we're going to do. There's some screws we're going to take out, and so we'll just do these one by one. First of all, right here, you may see this little notch right here, and so we're just going to put a screwdriver in there and gently pry it away. Okay, so we gently pried right into that little cutout with a screwdriver, and then pulled away, and just pull this piece straight out, and then that's going to expose two of these cross point screws. Okay, so just remove both of those screws, the bottom one and the top one. Okay, right here by the door handle, there's a little cover. We're going to take a little screwdriver and we're going to put it in here and pry this open. And there's a screw right there that we'll take out. Okay, next you're going to want to get a flat tool here and just come right in between the door where the metal is and the plastic and give it a little pry, and you'll hear a little bit of a pop. And so that's the clip separating, so don't get too concerned. Then just come in again. So you hear that? That's just the clip separating. Once you get your fingers in, you can just use your hands. So once you've got all of them down here, then you're just going to lift the door off of the frame. So that panel just lifts straight up, and now this will expose the speaker. If you want to disconnect everything on the back side of the door, I do have a video that I'll put in the description for that. Okay, so for the speaker, there's just 4 screws here to take off. And then there's just this one plug here. You're going to push in this tab, and when you push it in, you'll be able to unplug it. Okay, so when you push that tab, you'll be able to slide it out. So that's how easy it is to remove the speaker on here. And if you want to see a video on the rest of the door panel removal, I'll put the link to that in the description. It just shows you how to disconnect everything from the back side of the door panel. Thanks for watching.